Start AutoCAD with our class template and start the circle tool. Select the circle diameter option and select the point on the screen for the center of the circle and diameter of 4.5 and press enter key. Next, from the pull down menu, select polygon, and when prompts you for number of sides, type 3 and press enter. Define the center of the polygon to be the center of the circle by making sure that your snap to the center is on, and that precisely picks the center. And for the option C or I, make sure C selected, circumscribed. At this point, you want to have ortho on, F8 function key. Turn it on and select the quadrant on the top quadrant when the base and the horizontal is on the top, as you see on this illustration. Select both of them and switch them to center layer. They are currently on the object layer. Now continue drawing those small circles after you have your object changed to the center line. Now you're ready to draw 3 more circles. They're all equal size. For the center, select the corner. Make sure your snap endpoint is on and you're selecting exactly the endpoint. For the radius, you type 1 or diameter of 2 and repeat this for every corner. Pressing enter is the efficient way to repeat previous command. Just press the space bar or press enter to repeat. Continue drawing those circles with the same sizes. Next, draw the 3 lines. These lines are tangent to circles on the top and 2 circles on the sides. For the top, you may pick quadrant, but on the sides, you cannot pick quadrant. It has to be tangent. Access tangent option with holding the shift down and right click. You need to repeat this step for every circle. Hold the shift, right click. After line prompts you starting point and end point, make sure the tangent overrides your previous settings. When you do this option, holding the shift, right click, it's overriding other settings such as endpoint, midpoint, center point, because you're selecting tangent. That switch to drawing layout mode. Once completed, now we have the scale settings on layout mode, which in this case, by selecting the port and then selecting the scale standard to be 1:2 in this case, because 1:1 would be too big to fit on this paper. Appropriate scale would be 1:2. Don't forget to change your title block to also 1:2, and then save your file. And at this point, you're ready to either create PDF is required. If it's not, then save and submit the original